ExcELLEnce is a program for hourly women who work on the manufacturing floor. ExcELLEnce was born out of the Elle program. Elle is the French word for she, and it's also the name of the women's empowerment program that started out with the salary team. The ExcELLEnce program has monthly meetings where they discuss professional development topics. They have interactive discussions and activities. It's content that they want to learn about, that they tell us they're interested in. Employees should want to join ExcELLEnce because it's going to improve the quality of their lives.
I've been waiting for this so long to maybe build myself up, you know.
You're joining a safe space where you have the support to truly understand where you're at and how you can be a better version of yourself.
I've always said that I love working for this company because they treat you like a person. And this is just one more thing that they're doing that proves that.
They're getting an opportunity to network with their peers in a way that they don't typically when they're on the manufacturing floor.
I think it's a good idea to have other women in the company to support each other.
They get a few minutes off the floor every month to just kind of sit down, reflect on all the ways that they've grown, all the ways that they want to grow, what they want to learn.
Professional growth, I like that, professional growth. It helps to build your self-confidence, especially when you talk to different women. You can share your ideas, what you think, what you feel to different people, and I think that helps a lot.
It allows us to feel part of something bigger. Empowered women empower women.
And it's so inspiring to see them really make it their own and take that initiative and realize I have the power. I can do with my career what I want, and I'm gaining the tools to do so.
We're growing. We're becoming more than just women on the floor. We're becoming leaders on the floor.